Hello, my name is Cochise Pearson, and it's a pleasure to come back to you with a brand new book review. And this week I will be focusing on United States Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor, who is the first Latina. What is so compelling about this book is that Sonia comes from humble beginnings and she pulled herself up by the bootstraps. Her family actually lived in a housing project in New York. Her mother, Selena, her father, Julie, and her big brother, Junior, who became a medical doctor. What I love about this book, it shows clearly, regardless of your background, regardless of where you come from, if you have shared determination and if you are self-motivated, as well as supremely confident, you can certainly jump over the hurdles and cross that line with success. But it has a lot to do with your ability to always believe in yourself. Now, the book, she talks about her relationship with Kevin Noonan, and that was her boyfriend when she was in high school. Kevin was a very, very attentive boyfriend. For example, at the time when they were dating, he pulled Sonia to the side and said, "Sonia, you should apply to Princeton University." And during that period, Sonia did not understand the prestige of Ivy League universities such as like Yale, Harvard, etc. So she applied and she got in. She also did very well academically. When she graduated from Princeton, she applied to Yale Law School. Again, she excelled in the classroom and did extraordinarily well. And as a result, she graduated nearly at the top of her class at Yale Law School. From there, she transitioned to an assistant district attorney in New York. And during that period, her and Kevin got married. Their marriage lasted for 5 years. And the reason why it failed, because Sonia, she was working up to 15 hours per day, and she was bringing her work home. And finally, Kevin, he felt compelled to pull her to the side and say, "Sonia, look, I just been observing you for a long period of time. You have loads of work, okay, at home. I don't think that you need me. I know that you love me, but we need to move in a different direction." And it was devastating for Sonia because not only did she have to experience a breakup, but as a child, she was diagnosed with juvenile diabetes. And as a young girl, she had to learn to give herself insulin shots so that she can survive. In her book, which is very compelling, she divulged personal information about her parents' relationship. Her father was an alcoholic. The mother and father did not get along. They prolonged their dysfunctional marriage. At the age of 9 years old, Sonia's father passed away, and it was devastating for the family. And the mother, Selena, she descended into a deep depression. And Sonia had a candid talk with her mom and said, "Mom, you got to shake this because you are not being attentive to Junior, her big brother, and to Sonia." And the mother, she was able to turn it around. And what's really wonderful is that Sonia was able to move forward in life. She reached the pinnacle of the legal profession by becoming a United States justice. It's my understanding that they make $1 million per year. But my question to you, my viewers, do you think Sonia paid a significant price The reason why I asked that question because Sonia, she never remarried and she never had any kids. Is it worth it to establish a very successful career when you don't have someone special in your life? Please drop your comments. If you like this video, I would like for you to actually give me a thumbs up, please, and hit that subscribe button so that you will be the first one notified when I release my next video. Thank you.